Here it is, my pad thai. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hi, I'm Nina. Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the most popular and requested Thai dish from Thailand. Yes, it is pad thai noodles. Today I'm going to show you the pad thai that we cook at home and in Thailand. It's gonna be a perfect blend of sweetness, sour, salty, and spicy. Let's get to know the real pad thai together. The ingredients start with dry rice noodle. I use the medium width and soak it in water for 1 hour at room temperature. Next, peeled prawns, chili flake, chopped dry shrimp, minced garlic, chopped preserved sweet radish, cooking oil, eggs, tofu. For tofu, I use the firm tofu. I'm going to fry it first. Next is green. I have chive and green onions. Chive will give you more flavor. Please cut it into ½ inch. Next is bean sprout, sugar, fish sauce, and tamarind sauce. Step 1. We're going to prepare the sauce first. I have 5 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of tamarind sauce, or you can use the white vinegar instead. The paprika is optional, this one just to add color. We're going to mix it well together for our pad thai. Step 2. Fry tofu at medium heat, about 1 minute each side, and we're going to set it aside. If you use the extra firm tofu, you may skip this step and add your tofu with the noodles later. Step 3. Let's cook. At medium heat, add minced garlic, chopped dry shrimp. Next is chopped preserved sweet radish, and then chili flake. If you cook for kids, you may want to skip the chili flake. We're going to saute it until it turns golden brown and add choice of your meat. This one we add prawns. Make sure that you cook it until 80% cooked. Then we're going to add the sauce that we prepared earlier. Next, we're going to add noodles. Stir until the noodles absorb all of the sauce. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. You can easily taste it. Make sure that the noodle is soft and cooked. Next, we're going to splash a little bit of oil, add the eggs. Let the eggs set or about 80% cooked. Then flip over the noodles over the eggs. And now it's time to add our vegetable, bean sprout, chive, or green onion. Stir about 15 seconds. Both of them take very short time to cook, and your pad thai should be done by now. If you want a char taste, just leave the pad thai in a pan for about 10 seconds and then flip the bottom up. You will see the char mark there. It will make your pad thai taste very good. Pad thai is normally served with fresh bean sprout, chive, a piece of lime, and crushed peanut will make your pad thai tastier, and chili flake for those who love spicy food. Please enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will try this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thanks.